sleeping at Baba. Hi. Sa grab. Ano man na. Good morning. So this is day 3 here in Avida Towers, Cagayan. And nilakaw na si Daddy Brian. Time check, it's 6:47 a.m. May 2. And kuan kanang May 2 karon, and ang mata pa lang is ako si Brad ng kaon while the rest are sleeping. 5 sila kabok mag-sleep. And my princess is still sleeping as well. So, kana. Nice kay Dili, as you can see. Nice ang ambiance. Ngaon sa ta.
I eat
Pasit kantan and water daw yung giit. Tama ni siya mga food, pansit canton leftover from last night. Pure foods na corned beef. Pure foods na hot dog. I think siya pure food. Pure foods like pure foods na hot. Tender juicy. Mabak sakto no? Pure foods. Dayon, chicken na ni Jonah from last night. Hard-boiled eggs. Coffee. Oil. Sito ka na eh. Hot oil. Maalang. And rice.
Go to bed. After titas go to bed.
The other titas go to bed pa because nahuman sila of work mga early in the morning na. So this is my date for this morning. Kuya Briley.
Baba go to soccer.
Yeah. The Babams went to the tournament already with Daddy at Camp Evangelista. So after this one, after we're going to eat, let's ligo na ha. Magligo ta.
Inside?
Inside, and then let's prepare.
And then go home.
Let's go to Babams and let's watch his tournament. Okay? So memorize on din ako dere no. Naa sila mga brown walls. And the other side is grayish. Very gray na din siya. Ilang ceiling is gray and white. Na sila yung pina-cove light something. Na to ha. Oh. So nice. Nasa? Ilahang kuan ang cortina. Ilang window. Nice ilang. Kami wala din siya mo ang sliding door din siya. Sliding, and akong ganahan ani is kanibo. Kanang kuan kay siya solid. Nice. Nice ba?
Bye!
At ito namin, nakagol daw si Babams.
Babams, go na! Woo! Woo!
Shalom. Hi.
I want to swim.
Lagi, I know. Go, Kuya Babams. Practice me para sa cheerleader man ni Kuya Babams. Go, Kuya Babams. Go, go, Kuya Babams. Go, go.
I make a juice with ice.
Nagkay siya na. So, gahalak ni karon sa Grab dito sa ubos sa Avida. Ano man din sa bag ako ang
Baba bombs!
Good job, good job.
Pasa!
Pasa, pasa! Good job! Oh, pasa! Pasa, Bombs! Go, 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 go! Support, Bombs! Support, support! Go, Bombs! Go, Bombs! Go, Bombs!
Dalang bola, Babs!
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Travel, Bombs! Go, 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 Bombs! Pasa, pasa! Hala, si Kuwanti ay na. Ah, gabi na dyan. Salida na kayo. Look, isa man na, B. Artista siguro na. Ala, wala pa siya nakatagpa. Touchdown. Hello, good day. So, naanami ko sa SNR, humanaog games ni Mama, and he's gonna order his favorite pizza, the one that he likes. Okay? They're good? Okay, well, how about your drinks? Ito lang kang juice na unlimited, okay? Okay. Ah, nandun sila yung dark chocolate. Yung ice cream, sige. Hindi kayo, di ba namurot yung sa loob?
I bathroom. Mommy.
Ato na kay Lola Lita Manahaw.